Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you to find out the best carpet cleaner in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 10. Bissell Pro Heat 2X Revolution Pet Pro Plus. Bissell's iteration of the upright carpet cleaner is designed with pet owners in mind, and our tester, a parent of 2 border collie mixes and 2 young adults, has relied on this machine for years, noting it expertly removes stubborn stains and general dinginess from rugs. The 17.5-pound machine features 2 128-ounce tanks, one for clean water and another for dirty water, making it one of the largest machines on our list. Our tester said that doesn't affect maneuverability though. In fact, our tester says the appliance has no trouble reaching underneath furniture, something most models can't do. A nozzle and brush cover pop off with ease, so you can remove built-up pet hair, a huge pro for our tester who said combing out fur and dirt is essential to keeping the machine running smoothly. The biggest downside is that the dirty water tank has a very small opening, making it difficult to fully rinse out. We weren't all that impressed with the upholstery nozzle either. It's finicky and uncomfortable to use. Number 9. Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner Machine. If you can't stomach the thought of spending hundreds of dollars on a carpet cleaner, Hoover's Power Scrub Deluxe offers excellent bang for your buck. In tests, it eliminated a red wine spill in 2 to 3 minutes and was one of the only machines to fully clear up smeared peanut butter. While regular passes with the suction brush largely tackled the latter stain, the handheld spin brush was very useful for getting up any lingering traces of peanut butter. The appliance is rather bulky, which affects maneuverability a bit, plus makes it harder to store. On the upside, the machine is largely made from plastic, so it's not all that heavy. It clocks in around 18 pounds, which is similar to most of the carpet cleaners we tested. It also has very sizable 128-ounce clean and dirty water tanks. Our tester loved that the entire lid on the dirty tank popped off to allow for more thorough cleaning too. Number 8. Bissell Little Green Multipurpose Portable Carpet Cleaner. Another worthy pick from Bissell, the Little Green machine has racked up millions of views on social media, as users call it accolades like life-changing and incredible. When we put it to the test, we were just as impressed by its cleaning promise. While it's admittedly better for smaller messes, like a spilled glass of wine, and homes without extensive carpet, the machine evenly mists surfaces with cleaning solution and has incredible suction power, sucking it all back up, stain included, into the large dirty water tank. It's all powered by a single power button. There aren't any settings to contend with, making it one of the more intuitive carpet cleaners we tested. During our evaluations, we were able to clean up red wine from a white shag rug in less than 60 seconds. Tougher messes, like sticky peanut butter and thick melted chocolate, required 2 rounds of pre-treating. The brand recommends their own solution. Others void the warranty, and a fair amount of elbow grease, but eventually succumb to the machine. It is too loud to comfortably carry on a conversation while cleaning, but that's a small price to pay for the efficacy. Not to mention pretty common among carpet cleaners. Number 7. Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaner. If pets are part of your family, you're likely already using a good enzyme cleaner to tackle pet stains by hand, but you may want to rethink this approach. This Rug Doctor portable cleaner stood out for doing the best job at removing fresh stains, old stains, and ammonia odors in our tests. Its large tanks hold 64 ounces of cleaning solution, so there's a lot less refilling and emptying during big or multi-room jobs than you would experience with smaller models. Though heavy, especially when full, its retractable handle and large wheels make it easy to maneuver or wheel into a closet for storage. Place it either at the top or bottom of a staircase, and with its 4-foot stretch hose, you'll likely be able to clean an entire flight. Another plus for homes with pets. The Rug Doctor's nozzle has rubberized bristles to grab hair while it's removing stains. Number 6. Bissell Crosswave Wet Dry Vacuum. The Bissell Crosswave Wet Dry Vacuum is a versatile, all-in-one floor cleaner designed to vacuum and wash floors simultaneously. Ideal for homes with pets and kids, it works on multiple surfaces, including sealed hardwood, tile, laminate, and area rugs. The dual-action brush roll combines microfiber and nylon bristles to mop and pick up debris efficiently. Featuring two-tank technology, it keeps clean and dirty water separate, ensuring fresh cleaning with every pass. The smart touch controls on the handle allow easy switching between hard floors and rugs. With a corded design for continuous power and a self-cleaning mode, maintenance is simple. The Bissell Crossway provides a convenient and time-saving cleaning experience, making it an excellent choice for busy households. Plus, every purchase supports the Bissell Pet Foundation, helping homeless pets find homes. Number 5. Tineco Carpet One Pro Smart Carpet Cleaner. Like the Tineco Combo Vacuum Mops we've tested in the Good Housekeeping Cleaning Lab, this Smart One Carpet Cleaner works with an app and automatically adjusts the suction and water flow according to how much dirt it detects. Voice prompts tell you when to refill the clean water tank and empty the dirty one, and the LED display indicates the cleaning mode, alerts you when the area you're working on is clean and more. Its built-in heater keeps the cleaning solution hot for optimal stain fighting and helps dry carpets faster too. In our tests, we found the Tineco cleaned very well, and attaching the hose to go from cleaning carpet to upholstery is easy. At just 16.5 pounds, this model is lighter to maneuver than many other full-size cleaners, and its smaller footprint is easier to store, pull out, and set up. Number 4. Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner. Bissell's Big Green is the most user-friendly professional-style carpet cleaner we've tested. It was easy to maneuver and to fill, carry, and replace its 1.75-gallon tank. The spinning flow indicator was also extremely helpful in showing when cleaning solutions needed refilling. Despite appearing bulky, this model is user-friendly and has an adjustable foldable handle for easier storage. Weighing in at over 40 pounds, it will take more than one person to carry it up and down the stairs. In tests, the Bissell Big Green left our test carpets soft and not overly wet, and with the extra long 25-foot power cord, we cleaned an entire carpeted room without stopping. The 9-foot hose and handheld stain tool are ideal for cleaning upholstery, along wall edges and stair treads. Number 3. Bissell Stain Eraser Power Brush Plus. A full-size carpet cleaner can be more than you need for an occasional spot on the carpet or couch, so owning a lightweight portable carpet cleaner is a practical solution. This Bissell model was our best overall pick in a recent test for stain and odor removal, sound, runtime, and more, outperforming the larger models we tested. It erased fresh and dried red wine and blueberry pie stains with ease, and we found it easy to set up, clean, and store, so it's ready to go when a spill happens. It was also among the quietest models we tested. A built-in rotating brush gently agitates the carpet pile and works in Bissell's pre-mixed detergent solution for deep cleaning, but it can be switched off when tackling stains on delicate fabrics. A nubby rubber tool makes tackling pet messes easier and less messy. It has a 20-minute runtime, and the small tanks will likely need refilling if you're removing multiple stains, but it's a great option for homes with only a few stains to clean. Number 2. Hoover Smart Wash Pet Automatic Carpet Cleaner. We like how the Hoover automatically mixes the cleaning formula with the clean water in the tank, so there's no messy measuring. To clean, simply push the machine forward to dispense, no triggers to hold, and pull it backward to suction out the dirty water and dry the carpet. Especially helpful is a dry-only mode that emits heat on the forward stroke to help carpets dry faster. The Hoover's 8-foot hose and 22-foot cord provide ample reach for cleaning stairs and upholstery, though both are shorter than those on some other full-size models we tested. Consumer testers rated this cleaner highly too, with one sharing. It apparently has better suction than my vacuum because I vacuumed thoroughly before using, and the cleaner still quickly filled up with dog fur, dust, carpet fibers, and sand. Number 1. Bissell Revolution Hydro Esteem Carpet Cleaner. We tested many Bissell carpet cleaners and found them to be effective, easy-to-use appliances, and this model is no exception. In fact, it impressed us so much that it earned a spot in our Best Cleaning and Organizing Awards. What sets it apart is that it's the only steam cleaner we've seen that actually produces steam to clean and remove stains. And there's a quick-dry mode to help carpets dry fast, in less than 30 minutes in our tests. This Bissell is easy to fill, empty, and clean, and offers 3 cleaning settings. It easily steamed out mustard and wine stains from carpet and comes with 2 unique attachments, a pet hair tool for upholstery and a tough stain tool to tackle both wet and dry messes. Other pluses include its 25-foot power cord, 8-foot hose, and large water tank. At 31 pounds, some might find this model a bit heavy to maneuver, and while we did notice some light suds left behind on the backstroke, it all disappeared with a few passes.